like a wine, I could always, yeah. I could always say, fuck it. Chicken in a bucket. I could do that. I'm an artist drawing you in. I don't think it's perfect. I'll just draw over it. The line, I mean. Enjoy the premiere. Yeah, that's right. Know you. In your ear. Beautiful than the next. It's kind of a snake-like line. Music predicts the lines I draw. Yeah. Where I go up. Music presents all that. Listening to the butthole surfers. You can't hear it. It's on another plane, somewhere else. Almost time to say goodbye to all this. I would scale them in what circus insanity. Take me to a higher point, I guess. So that might see me. Know you. Hee hee. Show you where I'm going next. So you see what I see. Know you. Ooh-ee. Down. Portal. Look at portal. Alright, that's enough for the premiere. Yeah, know you. If you'd like to sign up for the Patreon, it's on the Linktree I put the link tree in everything like Twitter, all kinds of things. And it's sitting by each premiere. Yeah, you get extra puppet videos. Right now there's a Sub-Zero band interview. There could be future interviews, concert extras of cool punk rock bands and all that. All kinds of extra videos, extra bird videos, and who the heck knows. Right, you could have me doing extra art videos. Right. So if that's something you want to do, support me. Yeah, I'm the creator, so you can make a pledge. Yeah. If you don't make a pledge, you'll be missing out, and it'll be like, put a new video out, know you for missing out. So boo you. You're the one that missed out. Yeah, that's right. I'm the extra content. Yeah. Make a pledge. I can promise you at least 3 to 6 extra videos per month. And if 5 people sign up, at least 2 premieres extra per month. And maybe an extra live. Who the heck knows? All right, everybody, sign up for the Patreon. Make a pledge. Yeah, that's right. Know you. That's right. Yeah, son. Word is bond. Yeah. I'm going to be a DJ this Friday. Yeah. And it will be out Desert Island with my vinyl. No. Check out some of these titles. Yeah. They won classic rock and classic heavy metal, and James Taylor, yeah. Kinks, Kiss, Marshall Tucker Band, yeah. John Mellencamp, Neil Diamond, Deep Purple, yeah. They're like, I'm a machine head, know you. Yes, son. This is my vinyl collection, yeah. The Clash. Blondie. Yeah. Frampton comes alive. Know you. I like punk rock like X and Mob the Hoople. Yeah, know you. Led Zeppelin. Yeah. Ted Nugent. Know you. Big Boogent. New Dolls. Yeah. Night Ranger, Ramones, yeah. Oh. The Rascals, yeah. Rush. James Gang, In Excess, Simon Garfunkel, Blue. Cheer, yeah. Pat Benatar, Know You, Nick Hennitar. Duran, Metallica, yeah. Rainbow, Know You, Big Bainbow. This is my vinyl collection. I let the Rolling Stones know you. Quiet Riot. Warren Zevon. The Stooges, know you. Chicago, Buffalo Springfield. Yeah, Steppenwolf, The Misfits. Zevon. Phil Spector, The Doobie Brothers. Yeah, that's right. Def Leppard, Megadeth. This is going to be a great night for vinyl. Meatloaf. Yeah, that's right. Know you. Yeah, that's right. Know you. Back to the vinyl. Van Halen. No you. Appetite for Destruction, yeah, that's right. Roxy Music. Y and T. Young Boys, Metalheads, fucking doors off. Yeah, they'll be like, no you, Jeff Beck. Boys for Cult, yeah, that's right, no you. Boys for Cult. Wow. Cactus. Yeah, some people are like, who the fuck is that? No you. That's who the fuck that is. I can always do videos of birds. No you, the birds. It's kind of hacky at this point, yeah. Look at this, Iggy and Ziggy. It's part of my vinyl collection. Rare stuff. Yeah, that's right. I got a gig. I'll do a puppet show. Yeah, that's right. Zombie. Yeah. When you have to put up an old episode, it means you've run out of ideas. Bunch of fucking fat-ass wiggers and wigs. Bunch of fucking wiggers and wigs. Let's put up a whole weed episode. That means you're out of ideas. Bunch of no... Doggy, 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 you don't see me put up an episode from like October. Yeah. Doggy, doggy, doggy. No, you, doggy, doggy, doggy. Yeah, that's right. Just bullshitting, not being the truth. He thought it was the funniest, wiggest episode he ever saw in his fucking life. Yeah, that's right. No. I'm South Park Mickey Mouse. I'm just being Joey McBowie. It was the greatest episode of anything I ever saw in my life. Get ready to watch Hellen the Goer Goes to Hollywood Part 2. Should be very hilarious. When does that come out? In 1 or 2 days. Where's Cat TV? Oh, shitting and not being of the truth. Wait till you see. No you. TV thinks he's as alpha as Dante. I'm wearing like 20 rings. Yeah, son. Word is bond. No you. Yeah, that's right, yeah. Doggy, 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 we joke around here. Here at the Ken TV Gas Digital Network, doggy, doggy. No you. Yeah, that's right. You know, around here we're just bullshitting and not being of the truth. I like Mel Gibson, the actor. No you. If you like extra content, sign up for Ken TV's Patreon. It's on the link tree, so boo you. If you miss out on extra content, he might be going, no, you! Ken TV is just bullshitting and not being of the truth. We joke around here. No, you. Yeah, that's right. No, you. Yeah, yeah. You might be going, he might be going, no, you! And you might be going, no me, when you find out all the content you're missing out on. Boo you! Yeah, that's right. CO the Shark to say that there's extra bird videos and interviews with bands, and who knows, you might see all kinds of extra videos. So you better get on over to Ken TV's Patreon and make a pledge. You fucking cheap ass motherfuckers. Yeah, that's right. No, you. We're just kidding. Stay tuned for Hellen the Goer Goes to Hollywood Part 2. Part 3 will be on Patreon only. You cheap fucks. We're just kidding. We kid around here. Shut up, Mickey Mouse. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Cockaballs, Mickey Mouse. You're a fucking faggot, my baggot. No, you! When Ken TV was saying all kinds of things about the Wiggers before, he was only kidding. I hope Dust and Cliff have a good sense of humor. Or they'll be saying, no, you. He also said that they were boring and snoring. Yeah, that's right. CEO's just bullshitting and not being of the truth. Ken TV loves Cliff and Dust. Yeah, whoever doesn't think so can go fuck themselves. Yeah, that's right. No, you. Ken TV loves joking around. But he's not joking around when it comes to all the extra content that you could be checking out when you sign up for his Patreon. No, you! Yeah, that's right. Just go to his link tree and make a pledge. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's Rob Zombie, know you and your mommy. Yeah, that's right. It's part of my vinyl collection. I'll be bringing a lot of vinyl to the show. They'll be know you. They'll be know you, Bobo. Yeah, that's right. Know you. I like the Cars. And Fleetwood Mac. Know you. This is a classic rock. That's Domino and Led Zeppelin and Queen. Know you, Bottom Bean. The Rolling Stones and Sonic Youth. I'll blow their fucking heads off. We'll be doing the vinyl show on a desert island. Yeah, that's right. Know you. The Electric Light Orchestra. Boo you. Sort of like the UFO. Yeah, that's right. Know you. Yeah, that's right. Motley Crue, live from my desert island. Yeah, that's right. Know you. I'm doing a puppet show too. Yeah, that's right. Know you. Method Man in the house. Yeah. Flash, Billy Joel with his glass houses. You know, you can't throw stones over here. Know you. Love it. Fucking Eddie Money. Yeah. It's the best of the public collection. Heavy metal soundtrack. Yeah, son. Motorhead. Yeah. Who doesn't like the Steve Miller Band? Everybody likes it. More Van Halen. Yeah, son. Oh shit, Bonnie. Thin Lizzy, yeah. Other things like the Talking Heads. Pink Floyd. Yeah, The Wall. Heavy Cream. Know you. Heart. I want Bruce Springsteen. Know you. Oh yeah. I'll be listening to all this music on Desert Island. Going Know You. Big Byron. Yeah, that's right. Know you. Notes. Depends on your kind of classic rock. That's right. Creedence. That's right. War. Says Chaplin. Elvis Costello. Yeah, that's right. Know you. Couple more things. Yeah. I like Elton John. Know you. That's right. Yeah, we got the birds. Our names are Helen. Yeah, that's right. Now your name is not Helen. That's right. And Bella, the bird. Like, no, you, good bird. Yeah, that's right. We're the birds. We fly everywhere. Our names are Helen. Yeah, that's right. No, you. Birds named Helen are everywhere. Yeah, where I live.